Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial series. So in this tutorial series, I'll be showing you guys how to develop this application that you can see before you. So this application, what it does is that it measures water consumption by suburb. So this is a very basic smart map application, right? So what a smart map is, it's your basic map but with data uh, plotted on it, right? So the data that is plotted on the map is what makes it smart. So you can get insights by just looking at the map and reading the data. For instance, this horizontal uh, bar chart over here and this bubble plot. Okay. Um, so as you can see, the size of the bubbles determine how much water is being consumed in kiloliters per suburb. So each of these bubbles are suburbs in Cape Town. Yes, this is Cape Town. So basically, I developed this application because um, I am very interested in GIS. I like GIS and I love Python. So what I noticed with this is that it's very difficult to get started with Python for GIS, especially when you're using uh, frameworks like GeoDjango and you want to integrate that with leaflet and you want to add graphs like chart.js, for instance, to get those different components integrated and working together to develop an application such as this is a bit complicated. So if you follow this tutorial as I am teaching it to you or explaining it to the latter, you will be able to develop application, this precise application as it is before you. So basically, yeah, what I used was Postgres SQL, and I installed PostGIS extensions. And as a charting library, I used chart.js. As a GIS front-end library, I use Leaflet. And as my web framework, I use Django. So the backend is developed in Python, which is connected to a PostGIS database, and the graphs are developed in chart.js. Okay, so yeah, I'll be showing you how to develop an application such as this. Um, as you can see here, you have multiple layers. So we don't have, this is called OpenStreetMap, right? So another layer that we'll have is um, Esri's public aerial image. So this is called world, right? So as you can see, it's very high definition. So we'll have multiple layers, right, as our base maps. So you can see if you zoom in and you'll see this bubble over here. So this bubble will tell you what suburb is this, right? Okay, and this will be the aerial base map. And lastly, we'll have a data map, okay? So the data map will make the graphs or the data rather stand out, right? So you can do your basic analysis without having the distraction of seeing other areas of the map or imagery and things like that. So you just focus on the data and these labels that you can see, which are the suburbs. Okay, so yeah, you'll be building, if you follow this tutorial, we'll be building an application such as this. So this is a GIS application, right? And it's a Python GIS application, okay? So yeah, welcome to this tutorial series, and if you follow it step by step, guys, you will be able to develop an application such as this. Okay, so at a later stage, depending on how much you guys enjoy or find the tutorials useful, I'll also be adding some AI because I'm a big fan of incorporating the latest technologies into things that I develop. So my tutorial series will have a lot of AI backed applications, okay? Because that is the future, okay? That is the future of application development. So thank you guys. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. And yeah, so this is Cape Town, and that is Greenpoint Stadium, and these are the suburbs. You might have heard of some of these. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it and you really find it useful. If you do find it useful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I can guarantee you guys, if you follow this to the latter, you will for sure be able to create an application like this, and then hopefully it will put you in the right spot where you can take it further and incorporate this technology into applications that you might be developing in the GIS space, or any other project that you're busy with. Okay, so it is a very basic smart map, right? um, but it is definitely a good baseline to get you developing applications of your own. So what I noticed was that it's difficult to set this whole all these components and let them work together to develop an application like this. And there's not much help out there. So hopefully this will add some value in the projects that you are busy with, and it will be fun. I think you will enjoy it, and thank you very much. Um, See you guys later.